like an Airbnb. This is our house for the weekend. It's see-through glass. Got the TV. So we made it to Spain. This is my outfit that I'm wearing today. Doing the leg out. It's cute. It's cute. So yeah, we're about to head out and go get something to eat and explore the island. So make sure you guys stay tuned and continue watching because we outside in Spain.
My mom was so in the gutter.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
So this country actually dope.
Y'all got me talking like y'all.
One of these days I'm gonna learn to just wear my glasses and stop acting like.
I love wearing my glasses. You kind of give me wear contacts, and I'm like, I never had a massage, so.
Yes, keep jogging.
Yeah, I'm trying to get like her. All her is just so.
That's good enough, shoot.
Let me do that.
Look at the road. This shit was salty. Zero.
She said zero.
No, zero.
Okay, listen. So, I ordered lamb chops and I ended up getting grilled octopus for my meal. It looked good, but that's not what I ordered. So, sangria was a 10.
It was 10.
Sangria was 10 out of 10.
The customer service, despite the fact that food is not good, is a 10.
Yeah, because they didn't. She didn't cost no hassle taking it back.
Even though my man ordered a plate. I'm gonna give this about a 6
Overall, like,
But how long we wait? How long was he?
We didn't wait that long though.
We didn't wait that long. The sun went down.
it was like an hour and a
I thought we were
half.
talking about waiting on
an hour
the
and a
food
half.
specifically, but
Oh,
we
the
talking
food,
about
no.
like waiting to get in here. It took a long time. So for us to wait that long and then the food to be like this,
Yeah.
6 out of 10 is what it's giving.
6 out of 10. What you ready, Jackie?
They're not paying attention.
That's what the girl.
I never had paella. Really? Yeah. Shit, good.
You gotta do it. 1, 2, 3. Chug, 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 chug.
Crazy. She's going.
She gonna be tough on the floor.
Oh my god.
Is she
She's knocking it down.
She knocking it down?
Thank you. ¿Ya finito? You can breathe now? Can you breathe? She just shook her head, yes.
They about to throw your ass back. Jackie birthday.
Can you talk about something y'all drunk?
Can we get in the pool? I wouldn't. This is so alright. What do you guys?
The hookah bar has a whole pool in it. It has a whole pool in the hookah bar. Like, that is so dope. Like, it really has a whole pool in it. It's just so cute. That's the name, Le Vicky. Y'all, so we went to the restaurant We ate. We have lamb chops. And we had sangria. So right now it's a little dark and I forgot my light. But we're about to smoke hookah and get some drinks and just relax for the rest of the night. We went to the restaurant. I don't know the name. I will comment the name on the video. But we gave it a 6 out of 10. The sangria was definitely hitting. It was definitely good. So yeah, we're about to finish out the night, go back to the Airbnb, relax. I might get in a jacuzzi because my body hurting and I just want to relax for the rest of the night. So make sure you guys stay tuned and continue watching.
So, we some content creators, right?
I got you. Hold on.
Good.
But you smoke like every day. It's different.
Smoke weed every day.
You understand?
That one's strong.
Whoa, let me see.
Hold it in your chest.
It's because, oh shit, my bad. Hold it.
You go pass that out.
Hit it.
I want to punch him so bad, but I'm not going to.
You don't want to make him cool.
It's cold. Look at our house at night. Look at them. Y'all ugly. Good morning, YouTube. It's day 2 in Spain on the Canary Islands. Y'all don't mind me. I know I look crazy, I look tired, but look at the view. Look at the view. Just look at it. Right now it's currently like 9 o'clock in the morning. We're about to go get some food for our Airbnb so we could cook some breakfast because your girl's hungry. Look at the birthday girl. She's trying to go through the video awkward. The taxi here? Hey, y'all see that shaking? The taxi's here? Well, she's trying to see if the taxi's here. We're about to go head out and get some food to cook some breakfast because we be hungry in the morning. Y'all, I was drinking some wine last night and the wine was hitting me. But y'all, yeah. We outside. We had fun yesterday. We ended up going to eat at this restaurant. Y'all, it was so packed. We waited an hour and 30 minutes. So if you have a big group, just make sure that you're booking reservations and stuff like that because when you're traveling with a big group, taxi-wise and restaurant-wise, I think you should go ahead and book a reservation because it's hard out here. But y'all, it feels good. It's January. It's the middle of January, and it still feel good out here. Like, I definitely would do this in the summertime, but it still hit. It still hit in January. But yeah, y'all, we outside. And if y'all haven't seen our Airbnb, look at it. Just look at this. This is how you come in. This is our Airbnb. Like, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, y'all. We got the infinity pools. Got another one down there. We got 2 jacuzzis. And it's a view. Come on. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna eat outside. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Y'all see the beautiful queen. Look at the view on top of the city. So pretty. Yeah, it's the mountain that's killing it off. It's like, give me a number. Take us on the hill.
And he's got a van too?
I know, you do got a van. Y'all, if y'all come to the island, I recommend y'all getting your own rental car. Because although we have it's a beautiful home, it's hard to get places out here. So I feel like if you have like a decent amount of people and you can get a rental car, get it, because you will be able to go and be on the go when you want to. And I keep saying this everywhere I go, every place that I've traveled, I wish I had a rental car. Like, I feel like getting a rental car is worth it because you can go see stuff. You don't have to keep paying, knickknacks, dollars here and there to go places. So if you can get it, if you with a group, just split it. Oh. That's on the side?
Oh, okay. I'm scared. Like my hair even got chopped or something.
They got gloves up there. Okay. Baskets.
Already dinner, remember?
Look at the cute drinks. My camera leaning a little bit. But y'all, we're about to go to this lake. We ended up cooking breakfast. It was a 10 out of 10. It was given. It was good and I'm full. But yeah, y'all, we better go to this lake. Look at my outfit, y'all. My little skirt. Y'all like it? It's from Shein. It's so cute. Hopefully I get me some cute pictures in. But right now we're waiting for the taxis. So we about to be outside. We're gonna see what was it Tenerife is giving, Spain was giving. And we outside, y'all. Like, I don't know. Like, we gonna see what's giving. I ain't gonna hold you. Last night I had the best sleep of my life. Like, it's been a minute that I slept good like that. Mind you, I just came from the States, America, a couple days ago, so my sleep schedule has been off, and I feel like that was the reset that I needed to get me back on track to be on German time, and it did what it had to do. So right now we're getting ready. Everybody's still getting ready, about to head out. So make sure you guys stay tuned, continue watching. All right, what you getting?
You get something light, maybe a little pina colada, because they ain't got no Hennessy.
Tequila sunrise.
Tequila sunrise.
Like an
Shots. Even like a tequila.
Tequila? Girl, look at where we at. This is so pretty. In the middle of the city. This is crazy. All right, what you getting?
You get something light, maybe a little pina colada, because they ain't got no Hennessy.
Tequila sunrise.
Tequila sunrise.
Like an
Shots. Even like a tequila.
Tequila? Girl, look at where we at. This is so pretty. In the middle of the city. This is crazy.
Come on, babe. Shake that shit. Oh. Oh.
Trying to go to McDonald's, like, who?
Fucking well. I'm hungry. I want food.
No, we're not doing that. We got McDonald's everywhere we go. Like, no. We gotta try different foods out here. It's so beautiful.
Come out the road, girl. I said love. I said love 7 times.
I think got my damn McDonald's.
He mad by McDonald's for
That
real.
is full.
What's $7? An avocado? $7, girl. Well, that's a dip. You can use that's good. You can put it on our bread. Shit.
Oh, sorry. It's Red Bull.
What kind of meat?
Thanks. Don't drink it. Yeah.
Cause like all of this
That
pork.
bacon was salty. So I don't know what.
Cause after I ate the salami, I couldn't realize that it was pork.
It was?
Yeah, that's why. I don't eat pork by choice.
I don't eat pork like that either. Just knew where they was at. No way everybody at. The alcohol. That's crazy. What is that? That's CC.
Not you knock the head off. Not the fucking mutton.
Oh, they got it in England?
Not the real ones.
What you mean not the real ones? Is that this real? What's the difference in real and fake? What seasonings you got?
This is what you needed.
A pollo.
Kaylin. Oh, that's good. But yeah, you don't need to salt.
She said, give me that.
Y'all, so we made it back from the saltwater pool. Right now I'm dressed. I got my pants on and a shirt because I'm cold. Like, we didn't got into the water today. The water was super cold, but we thugged it out. We paid $5 to get in there. And the drinks, I got 2 drinks for like $12, and it was big drinks, strong drinks. So if you're out here, I definitely would go to that place. It was a 10 out of 10. Even though it was cold, I wish if I was to go there, I would go when it's a little bit warmer. But it still was fun. We still had a good time. They had everything. They had food. They had restaurants and everything right there. So we're actually going to go back out there tonight. But we're going out for the nightlife. We're going to end up going to like club or bar. I don't know yet. We're going to see once we get out there. But I'm tired, y'all. Swimming. I haven't swim in so long. I did not remember or realize how hard it is to swim. Like, that is a full body workout. Like, if I could go to sleep right now and just stay in, I would. But I can't do that because this is like, our time is winding down. So I just want to make sure that I'm outside. But y'all go look at my pictures on Instagram. Let me show y'all. Period. Let me see. Start over. Yeah, dang. So follow your girl at thereal_India.J. Your girl is outside living her best life. I don't know if y'all can see it. Can y'all see that? Let me turn the brightness down. Like, can y'all see that? Your girl is outside living her best life. Y'all go follow me and check out the pictures because your girl was living her best life today. Like, the body is tea. You feel me? What Nikki said, the body is tea. We ain't waiting for the summertime to be snatched. We already snatched. Period. But y'all, I'm about to lay down and wait for everybody else to get dressed. And then we about to head out. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned because your girl is tired. Like, Spain is up one. The Canary Islands up one. Like, I'm tired, y'all. But I'll see y'all later. Y'all, we made it back downtown. It was an upcharge for the taxis at night, so just be mindful if you're booking at night. There is an upcharge. And now we're going into the club.
You Jackie, go! Okay! Go, go!
should have too. Other than fucking you.
What? Yeah, I'm not drinking.
What do you want?
Nothing. I'm babysitting right
Oh,
now.
I'm sorry. I ain't got two. Who you babysitting?
Yeah.
Who? I said who?
You.
You're not babysitting me, though. I got fuck, girl. I pay for it. I don't want the fuck. About everybody else.
We didn't know. I'm sorry. Specifically, I was not ready for chocolate.
But you still took it. But you still took it.
You took it?
Yeah, come on. Get out.
The Jackie's 20th birthday! So 20th birthday! Jackie's 20th.
Go, Caitlin. Go, Caitlin. No children. No children. No children. No children. Hey.
Let's go something to celebrate.
Go, child. My face.
And listen, they had a long week.
Content bestie.
Who's gonna dance in my life? Let me empty my lungs.
Okay.
No smoke comes up. Look at that mine. Oh, even that. Fucking hell. What's the other one?
Look at hookahs. Woo!
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. Y'all, we just left the bar. Everybody tore up from the floor up, except for me. Look at them. Everybody tore up from the floor up, except for me, y'all. So we're gonna head back and we're going to sleep and we calling it night because I'm tired. So I'll see you guys in the morning. I don't know what we're gonna do or what we got planned yet. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and continue watching. Hey y'all, we back and we're going to the beach. Let's go get away, okay? Last night they had a time.
It was wild, okay?
I was the only one sober. But we back outside. Look at the view. Ooh. Ain't no view for real. We just ride. I'm so blessed to come on this trip with. Hey y'all. Y'all, we made it out of the group chat. Y'all, we made it to the beach. And it's black. Y'all, look at the beach sand. It's black. Because we're on a volcano. Oh my gosh. We're on a volcano, y'all. I can't believe I'm on a volcano. But, volcanic island, I mean. But look, the sun, you look at my bathing suit from Shein, of course. It's giving body. We're gonna set up shop. Look at Jackie. Can't wait to get the little bottle. Look, that is ridiculous. I got you in 4K. She didn't even try to hide it. She didn't even try to hide it.
Baby stuff, no. She
No,
said,
nothing.
Yeah, for what?
Put it on the table.
Got the smack on the table. Bam.
We outside with the water. I was sitting on the rock trying to get some good pictures, and I got drenched. Completely drenched. Look at my legs, y'all. I fell in the sand trying to get away from the water. I wasn't trying to get wet, but I ended up getting wet anyways. So that's that. Look at the view. That's not even. That is crazy. Y'all, I was on that rock right there. You see that rock? And it just threw water upside my head. Can y'all see that? These are some big waves. One of my favorite places on earth is being at the beach. It just brings so much peace and just clarity, and just I feel like it's the place that I can come to and just reset. And that's the main thing that I miss, like living in Germany, is that we're landlocked for the most part. So being able to go to the beach is just like I'm just so happy to be here. Like, I love water, y'all. So I love water. And so I'm just very appreciative to be here, y'all. Like, it's so relaxing, so beautiful out here. You can come here and clear your thoughts. Like, I just love water. I'm a water baby. Look at the birthday girl. Look at that birthday girl. This is my life. Yeah, y'all. I'm about to enjoy myself for the rest of the time being. I think we're going to go to the supermarket later to get groceries to cook. So they don't want to eat out. They want to cook. I don't know who they think will cook. Probably me, but we're going to see what we cook tonight. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned and continue watching. The trip is sadly coming to an end. I definitely needed this trip though. Like, I seriously needed to get a reset. I've been back to work for about a week and I'm already over it. So this was definitely a fresh breath. God damn it. A breath of fresh air. What the fuck? It was definitely a breath of fresh air, and it was definitely needed. So I'm gonna sit back and relax a little bit. The sun's going down, so we're trying to enjoy as much heat as possible. So I'll see y'all later. Content girlies.
Go get it.
And I normally get the license plates, but I don't see them. I don't see my thing, y'all. Normally, I will be getting the license plate for like every different country that I go off. I'm doing like a travel wall for other places that I've been to. I'm a little behind because I started a little late. But is that a penis? It's a penis. Like, oh my gosh. What? Maybe it's some great shit. Oh, this is cute because we did see a lizard out here. Look at the little lizard. Y'all see the license plates? Oh my god.
You got that one?
No, I really don't want a magnet. I want something that I can put in like a house, like my house. You feel me? Like something that.
Do I want a teacup?
That's an ashtray.
Yeah,
I ain't smoking no shit.
it's
Look at the lizard.
It's fine, I'm just gonna stop. I keep forgetting that you're recording.
What is a party? Oh, this for incense, ain't it?
Incense?
It is? Yeah. What is that for?
Cooking.
That's for your spatulas and stuff.
That's a spatula.
No, you put your spatula on it when you cook it. It's just next to you.
Yeah, you use it.
Oh.
Yes.
I got me salt and pepper chicas. And achatas.
Yeah.
Start off down.
Down.
Okay, oh shit.
Oh, shit. These little kids, they have like binoculars and they do word
They have
shit.
Timothy.
And they go rescue world and shit.
I know what you're talking about.
Dream.
Older brother?
Okay,
Big brother?
yeah.
I'll let that one.
Oh, I get that one. Big brother.
Where her
Kiana does this all the time. Kiana does this all the time. Not the strongest, but the
Weakest?
weakest. Okay.
Weakest. You want the
You got easy ones. What was she on? Next.
Yeah, a bunch of
Disney
shows.
Channel.
You fucking do, bro. I'm telling you, you know it, bro. I'm
I'm
telling you,
gonna
you know
beat
it.
myself up for this one.
I'm telling you, you know it, bro. Oh, shit.
But what's the word? I don't know any word.
What else are you doing? If you're not writing, you're
Drawing.
So I'm back. I just got out the shower. I'm about to pack up my clothes and relax for the rest of the night. So I'm ending the vlog here. Thank y'all for coming along with me to my trips to the Canary Islands. I had a ball. It was fun. It was relaxing. And I'll be on another trip soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned and continue watching.
What is that? Wait.
Fucking
You
joke.
guys ready? You guys ready? You guys are ready, man. Come on. Come on. She said.
The laugh is fucking killing me.
My friend lost her phone. We've been looking for the phone all day long, and she got the phone back from the taxi driver. It's 10 p.m. and she finally got the phone back. And we leave tomorrow morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh my God.
Let's go on, King.